Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply create keychain hole in Orca Slicer. Now it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to navigate through your model. From here, click on it, right click, and then you want to select the add negative part. You want to select the torus option, and then of course you could resize this on how big you want your hole to be. So I'm actually going to be lowering down the size a bit, and I'm actually going to be also thinning it out. And from there, right after, you just want to position it along your model. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Let's click on the move function, adjust it accordingly depending on our model. And right after positioning your keyhole, you can just go ahead and use the rotate function if you have to do that. But in my case, I think this is already fine, so I'm not going to mess with this right here. But once again, you could make all of the adjustments that you want. Click on the slice plate option, and now we will have this keychain hole onto our model. Now, if you want to go ahead and add a little bit of support onto this area, you can navigate back to prepare, copy and paste the negative part, and then you could just change this into something like add part or the part option. And basically with this one, you could select something like the rotate option. And here, let's go ahead and rotate our object and basically just add some additional supports onto the keyhole itself, which is going to be this one. And now that we have some extra support, or now that you have this hole right here, we could delete the negative part. And basically you could just use this object or use this new part as the whole keyhole itself. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.